pretty much packed up for day 2. Getting ready to take off. Cold night, 40 degrees. Didn't quite have enough gear, honestly, but we made it okay. It was a little chilly though, sleeping. But about to get back up on the road. This is a good camp spot. Rocky Springs. If you're ever on the Natchez Trace, Rocky Springs is a great place to stop. Free. You can build a campfire. You can go out and gather some down trees and sticks and stuff to make a fire, and it's pretty good. So we're pretty much loaded up. It's about 9:30. Temperature's coming up a little bit. Sun is up, so we're looking forward to getting out there. Port Gibson, Mississippi, a little place called Rosie's. It's a joint. Gonna have some ribs, of course. Sit outside. Oh yeah. Rib plate. What you got to tell me is, what do you think of these ribs?
I like these ribs. They're very tender.
Yeah.
I like them. Yeah. And they're, you know, they don't have any sauce. I guess there's a dry rub or something.
Yeah. Comes
like
with
them.
sauce on the side.
Yeah, I really do like it.
Pretty tasty.
Yeah.
Comes with French fries and potato salad. Wind. There's a lot of wind right in our face. About 25 miles down, about 25 miles to go. Gonna pull off, take a break. This little rest stop. Friday morning. We stayed at this national park, the Natchez
State Park.
State Park. Mississippi State Park, Natchez. Quite a trek to get out here with some hills. At the end of a 50-mile ride, we were burnt. But, man, we slept great. The weather was perfect for camping.
It was good. It wasn't too cold. My skinny little bag did okay.
Yeah, perfect weather. We got some coffee. We had some bars, packing stuff up. Relatively quiet. We slept well. We're gonna ride into the town of Natchez. We've got a hotel room booked tonight, and we're gonna get some food, resupply, see what the weather does. It's supposed to storm tonight, so gonna be nice today though. Mid to high 70s, right?
Yep.
It's gonna be a short day again. Mile 0. We made it to the end. This is the monument. It's not really monumental though.
No,
There's
we're
not-
anticlimactic.
There's not much here, but it is the end of it.
I would like to see a 0.0 sign.
yeah, I don't know where the 0.0 sign's at, but this is it. City of Natchez, Mississippi. Natchez, Mississippi, right down by the river. It's beautiful down here. Bowie's Tavern. We had remnants of a Bloody Mary, Angry Orchard, a salad. We're getting ready to have some catfish, which is a special today. Doing some computer work, charging. Great time. Hampton Inn, Natchez. We usually stay at Holiday Inn, but there wasn't any Holiday Inn available, so Hampton Inn it was. Bikes are here.
I like it so far.
It's been pretty nice. We're gonna go see if we can find some food, as far as a place to buy food. Something like Walmart or something like that. Get some stuff, some supplies. Hopefully the storm will pass tonight and be gone by tomorrow morning. This is all they had. They had a king suite with a sofa bed, but we got upgraded for free.
Yeah.
That's a deal.
Can't beat that.
Anyway, so be it.